Edmonton, Rob Yastrzemski, RJ Homes and eXp Realty here, and boy am I excited today to showcase another new listing. This time, as you can tell, we are in front of the Escapes building right here in Ellerslie. As a matter of fact, it's Ellerslie Road and 111th Street. So conveniently located right next to all the shopping. There is restaurants, trails, and we're right next to the Anthony Henday. So easy commute to wherever you want to go from there. As you can tell, this is a 6-story building. It happens to be all concrete construction. There is some amazing amenities inside. We're talking lounge with a pool table, bar. There is a gym, and this unit, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. It is absolutely gorgeous inside. Can't wait for you to see it. Well, let's go in and explore. So, welcome inside. We're at Unit 204 right here in the Escapes building. And boy, are you in for a treat. We've got upgrades galore for you. There is laminate flooring. There is floor-to-ceiling kitchen cabinetry. And you'll be amazed with the granite counters, as well as all of the upgrades that this unit has in addition to that. We've got tall ceilings. We've got your own forced air furnace heating system that comes with air conditioning. And this is of course very important because, as you can know, in the wintertime here we rarely open up our windows and doors. And with the forced air heating, you get that constant air exchange, which is very healthy. Also, it comes with its own in-suite laundry. And as you can tell, those are the full-size front-loading machines. Of course, we have 2 full bathrooms, 2 bedrooms. The primary bedroom has a walk-through closet and its own ensuite. And best of all, fantastic view of the park. Now go ahead and explore. So as you can tell, here we are in the parkade, one of 2 stalls. This is stall number 295. As you can tell, it has a storage cage, which is completely unobstructed, by the way, and it's conveniently located right beside the entrance to the elevator. The other parking stall is also underground in this heated area. It's just on the upper level, and it's also conveniently located right in front of the staircase and the entrance to the parkade. So and here we are at one of the Escapes' beautiful amenities, the fitness center. You're going to be impressed with what you see in here. Now let's go in and have a look. Go ahead. So, there you go. Thanks very much for watching the video all the way to the end. Now, as you can tell, we're here in the lounge, and you yourself can also participate in all the events that are available here at the Escapes building. Of course, if you wanted to book your own birthday party or special get-together, this is a great place for it. If you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to give us a call directly on our number at 780-222-8222. Of course, all the information will be down in the links below. Just check out our website at rjhomes.ca. Remember, always share the video. You never know, this might be the perfect place for one of your friends.